the NDX. We actually broke out of this downtrend line, which was interesting, but we should settle back, and I'd say we could settle back all the way to 64.60, 64.50 and still be bullish. On the Dow, we would expect to settle back as far as 23.50, 23.5, and remember we talked about this 23.5 level all the way down and all the way coming back up as a fairly important level. So if I'm going to be bullish, I would expect it to hold there. And if we look at, I think the SPX is down to 2,600 on the SPX. As far as the Russell goes, the Russell is likely to swing back under our support area, but as long as the other indexes hold, we have to remain bullish on the index itself. Okay, so that's my thoughts on the market. So we're definitely due for a settle back, for an extended sideways move, and then likely we are leaning a little bit towards the bullish side here.